Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 945 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First, we need to press and hold the light button to open the controls menu. Once the menu opens, check if you see the airplane mode icon right here on this menu. As you can see, we don't have it. By default, it won't be here. So if you don't have this icon in this menu, press and hold the up button to open the other menu. And here you have the option called Add Controls. Make sure it's selected and then press the start button. Now scroll through the list of shortcuts, find the airplane mode 1, select it and press start button. And then we can press the back button to go back to the controls menu. As you can see, now we have the airplane mode icon on our shortcuts menu. We can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu, select it, and once you select it, you can enable the airplane mode by pressing the start button, then down button. As you can see, the icon changed the color and it says mode on. So that's how you turn on the mode. And to turn it off, simply open the controls menu, select the airplane mode icon and press the start button to turn it off. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.